Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best chest freezers available on the market today for their true quality and performance. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've ranked them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. All right, let's dive into the countdown, starting with our number 5 pick. At number 5, we have the Borcolo 3.5 cubic feet chest freezer. This compact and space-saving freezer is perfect for small homes, apartments, or even dorm rooms. It has a 3.5 cubic feet capacity, offering a decent amount of storage for frozen goods. The removable basket is a thoughtful touch, making it easy to organize smaller items like ice cream or frozen veggies, so you won't have to dig through everything to find what you need. Its quick freezing system, powered by a D-type tube design, ensures faster cooling efficiency compared to other models. With an adjustable thermostat that ranges from -18 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, you can customize the temperature based on what you're storing. However, one thing to note is that it requires manual defrosting, which might be a downside for some users. But the aluminum-lined interior and heavy-duty gasket help maintain an energy-efficient seal, which is a big plus. In terms of design, the Borcolo has a clean, modern aesthetic with a recessed handle and a phoned door that looks good in any setting. While it's not the most feature-packed option on this list, it offers solid reliability at an affordable price point. Ideal for someone on a budget or with minimal space needs, but it lacks some of the advanced features you'll find in higher-ranked models. Coming in at number 4 is the Zarch 3.5 cubic feet chest freezer. This model is a great mid-size freezer for those who want a little more flexibility in their storage. It features a 3.5 cubic feet capacity, which is perfect for storing bulky items like turkeys or pizzas. And it comes with a removable basket to keep essentials within easy reach. One standout feature here is the 6-level adjustable thermostat, which allows you to go as low as -11 degrees Fahrenheit to keep your food frozen at optimal temperatures. It also features a manual defrosting option, and while that might require a bit more maintenance, the included defrosting tool makes it manageable. The flip-up lid with a sealing strip ensures a consistent internal temperature, and the high-density foam layer helps maintain cold even during power outages. While the Zarch offers an efficient and quiet cooling system, operating at just 40 dB, its overall build quality feels slightly less premium compared to higher-ranked models. It's an energy-efficient choice that's suitable for apartments or kitchens, but its lower customer rating and fewer advanced features leave room for improvement. If you're looking for a reliable, no-frills freezer, the Zarch is a solid option. At number 3, we have the Danby DCF 050 A5 WDB Diplomat Chest Freezer. This is a 5 cubic foot model that strikes a great balance between capacity and functionality. What really sets the Danby apart is its durability and convenience features, including a 5-year parts and labor warranty, which is unmatched in this category and offers long-term peace of mind. The freezer is garage-ready, meaning it can operate in a wide range of temperatures from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also Energy Star compliant, so it won't add much to your electricity bill. Another standout feature is its 48-hour power outage protection, which ensures your food stays frozen even during unexpected outages. The counterbalanced hinges make the lid easy to open and close, while the power on and compressor indicator lights provide helpful visual cues. The Danby Diplomat is a dependable choice for families or anyone who needs a slightly larger capacity. However, its heavier weight and bulkier design might not be ideal for those with limited space. It's a fantastic all-around option with great energy efficiency and reliability, but it's missing some of the more modern conveniences, like stackable baskets. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Icepeckle Freezer Organizer Bins, 4-pack for 5 cubic feet freezers. These bins are designed to maximize the space and efficiency of your chest freezer, making it easier to organize and access your frozen goods. Measuring 14 by 9.4 by 5.1 inches, these medium-sized bins are perfect for a 5 cubic feet freezer, and their stackable design allows you to take full advantage of vertical space. What makes these bins stand out is their open frame design, which promotes better air circulation and faster freezing, keeping your food fresher for longer. The fold-down handles make it easy to rearrange and access items without having to dig around. And the durable metal build can handle heavier frozen items without warping or bending. They're coated with a black finish for a sleek look and added durability. At just $27.89, these bins are the most budget-friendly option on our list, but don't let the price fool you. These are high-quality organizers that add significant value to your freezer setup. They're ideal for anyone who wants to reduce food waste, keep their freezer neat, and access items quickly. However, they lack compatibility with larger freezers, so make sure to measure your space before purchasing. Finally, at number 1, we have the Icepeckle Freezer Organizer Bins, 4-pack for 7 cubic feet freezers. These premium bins are the ultimate solution for organizing your larger chest freezer. With dimensions of 14.7 by 7.1 by 6.1 inches, these bins are perfectly tailored for 7 cubic feet freezers, offering plenty of space for sorting meats, vegetables, and more. The rubber feet on the bottom layer prevent scratches, and the foldable handles make stacking a breeze. What truly sets these bins apart is their thoughtful design. The open frame construction allows for excellent ventilation, promoting faster freezing and maintaining food freshness. The U.S. design patent guarantees a unique, innovative approach to freezer organization. Plus, the thicker black-coated wire ensures these bins can hold heavier items without bending, making them a durable choice for long-term use. At $31.99, they are a bit more expensive than the budget option, but the added durability, size compatibility, and premium features make them well worth the investment. These bins are ideal for larger households or anyone with a 7 cubic feet freezer who wants to optimize space and reduce food waste. Hands down, the best organizer bins on the market today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect chest freezer or organizer for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.